Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix TikTok camera quality on your phone. So if you want to fix your TikTok camera quality, what you have to do is first of all open up your TikTok application, and after opening your TikTok application, tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and now you have to tap on the three-bar icon which is on the top right, and then tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, you have to scroll down, and inside cache and cellular you can find data saver. You just have to tap on that option, and if you find your data saver option turned on, what you have to do is you just have to turn that option off. So what it does is it will reduce your data consumption by using cellular data. So if you try to upload a video, what it does is it will compress your video to lower quality to save your data. So to avoid that, what you have to do is you just have to turn off this option, and after turning off this option you will fix your problem. So this is how to fix TikTok camera quality on your phone. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.